Good people, thank you so much for following us on our social media platforms, and I appreciate that so much. You are highly valued here at Premium Containers, and today I have something I felt that I should share with you. Behind me, these are 40-feet container office, and on this container we are converting it into 4 equal partitions. And when I talk about 4 equal partitions, I mean a container is 40 feet and we are having 4 offices. This means one office has a space of 10 feet on the length and 8 feet on the width. That is the standard size of a container on the width, because that one does not vary, and even the length does not vary. So let me at least share with you. We are having these grilled windows here, and the doors, as you can see, we have 4 doors, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what we've done into this office, the client requested for internet trunking, and these are the details I'll be able to show you so that you understand what trunking is. Come with me. This is number 1 door, number 2 door. This is the first, this is the second door. Number 3 door, this is the second door. Come with me to the interior. I show you this is what we mean by trunking. And this one actually is good for carrying the internet cabling and also electrical cabling, because it gives network. And you see this, once you fit the gypsum and you do all the cladding and painting, you'll see how it would have come out very nicely. So in case you need an office and you feel like you need such a space and you can move or migrate anytime, this is the solution for you. Thank you so much, guys. Keep following us, and we like you so much.